I'm going to show you the latest Canva hacks you can use in 2026 that will make designing faster, easier, and more professional, especially if you're an aspiring Canva designer or graphic artist. These are practical tricks you can actually use, not just random features people talk about. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, let's start with a hack that's perfect for anyone creating and selling digital products. A lot of beginners make this mistake, so pay close attention. If you're creating a coloring book for kids, you can't just rely on the color picker and turn everything black and white. That usually leaves hidden colors behind, which can ruin your final design when printed. To fix this, select your image in Canva, then click on Edit Photo. From there, go to Adjust. Under the Light section, increase everything all the way up to 100. After that, scroll down until you see Saturation and turn it all the way down to 100. This removes any leftover color and gives you a clean, true black and white image that's perfect for coloring books. Once you've done that, your design is officially print ready and looks much more professional. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. That's the first Canva hack for 2026. For the next one, click on the next video and I'll show you another powerful trick you can start using right away. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.